What's in Donald Trump's investment portfolio? Donald Trump was a well-known billionaire long before his U.S. presidency. He's featured in Forbes' most wealthy list for most of the past decade. Ever wondered what's in his investment portfolio? Let's find out. Donald Trump, the current U.S. president and property mogul, ran over Kamala Harris in his 2024 presidential campaign. He's the founder of the Trump Organization, a private holding company for most of Trump's business ventures and investments. It offers a selection of luxury real estate around the U.S. and internationally, including commercial and residential property, golf courses, hotels, estates, and shops. Because the Trump Organization is a private company, it doesn't have to report its earnings in as much detail as public companies do. It's therefore difficult to estimate Trump's true wealth and what he's invested in, as this information isn't freely available. Having said that, in August 2024, Trump was legally required to release a financial disclosure document as part of his presidential candidacy. The 250-page report contains the details of hundreds of investments, which would ordinarily enable analysts to see where his wealth lies. However, he wasn't under obligation to provide specific figures for those investments, so it's impossible to tell exactly what and how much he's invested in. How much is Donald Trump worth? According to a Forbes estimate in May 2024, Donald Trump is worth $7.5 billion. However, following the release of the August disclosure document, Forbes places his net worth at $4.2 billion. The publication doesn't explain how it came to this latter figure. Trump amassed his wealth through real estate originally, getting his start when his father lent him $1 million. He later delved into reality TV, pro wrestling, books, and more recently, the Greenwood Bible. What's in Donald Trump's investment portfolio? Trump's portfolio comprises a diverse mix of assets, including stocks, property, crypto, bonds, U.S. treasuries, and money market funds. However, the bulk of his wealth is invested in the company Trump Media and Technology Group, which owns the social media network, Truth Social. Even with his most recent financial disclosure documents, the most accurate estimates we have on his investment portfolio are from reports from earlier this year. With this in mind, we've based our findings on the August financial disclosure document, as well as the report from Forbes in May 2024 on Trump's net worth and investments. The percentages, therefore, don't total to 100% exactly, but to between 101.48% and 108.2%. Trump's liabilities are related to legal fees, mostly from judgments for damages in court proceedings where he's been found guilty, such as the E. Jean Carroll civil cases, where he was convicted in 2 separate matters. What's the risk-reward balance of Trump's portfolio? Trump's portfolio risk is relatively high, even though around 9% of his portfolio comprises safe haven investments in bonds, treasuries, and the like. IG analyst Axel Rudolph reported in August 2024 that Trump Media and Technology shares have been in free fall for months, having dropped around 70% from their post-Digital World Acquisition Corporation merger in March of this year. Considering the bulk of Trump's portfolio is made up of Trump Media and Technology shares, he is skewed towards more risk than reward. Investments are generally thought to be safer than leveraged products, like CFDs, with which you can take a position whether the market is moving up or down. However, investments can lead to you getting back less than you put in. How does Trump's portfolio compare to Kamala Harris's? Trump's investments are different to Kamala Harris's portfolio, as his are riskier. Her selection comprises mostly retirement funds, ETFs, and mutual funds, typically considered to be more passive and safer choices. Unlike Trump, Harris has no money in individual stocks. How to invest in stocks and ETFs. Here's how you can get started investing in stocks and ETFs. 1. Expand your understanding. It's crucial to comprehend the potential upsides and downsides of stock and ETF investments. Familiarize yourself with various sectors, businesses, and the range of ETFs on offer. 2. Create your investment account. To start investing, you'll need to start a stock trading account. Our user-friendly platform provides access to a wide array of financial products. 3. Perform due diligence. Use our sophisticated market analysis tools to find stocks or ETFs that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. 4. Choose your investment amount. Select the quantity of stocks or ETF units you wish to acquire, or decide on the total sum you're prepared to invest. 5. Make your investment. Once you've made your decision, use our platform to carry out your transaction and purchase stocks. Investing in stocks or ETFs means you become a partial owner of a company or fund. Potential returns can come from increases in value and possibly dividend distributions. Past performance is no indicator of future returns. It's important to note that all investments involve some level of risk, and your investment value can rise or fall. For those looking for potentially higher returns and who are prepared to take on more risk, we provide leveraged trading options like CFD trading. This lets you trade with borrowed funds, potentially magnifying both profits and losses. You never own the underlying stocks like you do with investments. If you opt for leveraged products, it's essential to understand the risks involved and implement effective risk management techniques.